Hello everyone, in this video we'll see Odoo versus Erpnext and which is better. First, let's discuss Odoo. You can see all your business operation consolidate on one platform. Simple, effective, affordable. Now, if you navigate the app section, you will find range options such finance, human resource, sales, marketing, website, and productivity. Scroll down to discover more everything like accounting, knowledge, science, CRM, studio, subscription, and many other. Imagine having access to a vast collection business application at your fingertip. Need to enhance something there, an application that complexity, no extra cost, just one click. Install each app, streamline specific process and empower more users. Imagine the impact when everyone has the right tool, their job seamlessly integrated. You can elevate the quality of your work. You can optimize productivity, experience through speed, and reduce data entry. Smart AI and fast AI all operation completed then 19 milliseconds faster than blank. All necessary technology platform. And discuss here next. You're looking for Erpnext. Erpnext is solution planned next real world best free open source and incredible variety, powerful design, both simplicity and effectivity and objective available. Next, keep you manage every aspect of your business. Trusted more than 10,000 company world. You can become certified and constantly at cost $15 per month, and it's still good. Around 50 employees. This plan over unlimited user managed hosting and product warranty and enterprise option. Thanks guys for watching this video.